Every generation fears losing their jobs to machines, but this time the machines are learning. For most of history, tools made humans stronger. The hammer made us faster. The engine made us powerful. The computer made us smarter. But AI doesn't just help you work faster. It learns how you work. And then it learns how to do it without you. And that changes everything, because the future of work isn't about jobs disappearing. It's about what being useful will even mean in a world where intelligence is everywhere. The first shock won't feel like a crisis. Most people imagine mass unemployment as chaos, streets filled with protests, factories shutting down overnight, panic everywhere. But real disruption never arrives like a movie scene. It arrives quietly. One company replaces 5 designers with one AI system. Another automates customer service. Another removes data analysts. Another removes translators. Not all at once, not with drama, just one update at a time. Until one day, millions of people realized the same thing at once. I followed all the rules, and my job still disappeared.
The new competition isn't another human. For thousands of years, your competition was always another person. Someone who could work longer, faster, cheaper, or smarter. Now your competition doesn't sleep, doesn't get tired, doesn't ask for a salary, and improves itself every day. You're no longer competing with your neighbor, you're competing with a system that gets smarter every time someone uses it. That changes the rules completely. Skills will expire faster than ever. In the past, you could learn one skill and survive on it for decades. Now, some skills barely survive a few years. Graphic design changed, programming changed, marketing changed, writing changed, music changed, teaching is changing, medicine is changing. The future doesn't belong to people with the best skills. It belongs to people who can abandon their old skills without emotional attachment, because adaptability will become more valuable than expertise. Degrees won't save you. Identity might. For a long time, society sold this story. Study hard, get a degree, get a job, stay safe. That story is breaking because AI doesn't care where you studied. It only cares what you can produce right now. And when production becomes automated, your value will shift from what you do to who you are. Your judgment, creativity, emotional intelligence, taste, leadership, storytelling, ethics, and vision. These are things machines still imitate but don't truly own. The future job market won't reward workers. It will reward decision makers, creators, and meaning makers.
The rise of the one-person empire. Here's the strange paradox of the future. On one side, millions of people may lose traditional jobs. On the other side, a single person will be able to run what once required an entire company. One individual, with AI for design, AI for coding, AI for marketing, AI for automation, AI for sales, AI for content. One human, 10 machines, infinite leverage. The new elite won't be corporations. The new elite will be individuals who know how to command intelligence. The psychological crisis nobody is ready for. Work has never only been about money. It's about purpose, structure, identity, self-worth, status, direction. When millions of people no longer feel needed in the traditional sense, something deeper breaks. Not the economy, the human spirit. Because when a system can outperform you at everything you were trained to do, you are forced to answer the most dangerous question a human can ask. If I'm not needed, who am I? Society is not prepared for that identity shock. The real divide won't be rich versus poor. The future won't be separated by money alone. It will be separated by those who collaborate with AI and those who try to compete against it. One group will multiply their impact. The other will slowly fade out of relevance. Not because they're stupid, not because they're lazy, but because they tried to fight the wrong enemy. AI is not replacing humans. It's replacing humans who refuse to transform. So what does work become? In the AI-driven future, work will shift from execution to direction, labor to leverage, repetition to originality, obedience to strategy. The most important job won't be doing. It will be choosing, imagining, guiding, judging, meaning-making. The machine may build the road, but humans will still decide where it leads. The final truth. The future of work is not a disaster. It's a test. A test of adaptability, humility, courage, creativity, and self-reinvention. Those who cling to the old world will feel betrayed by it. Those who learn to ride the wave will shape the next civilization. AI will not ask for permission. It will not wait for society to feel ready. It will simply continue. And so must you.